Hi friends, today we are going to see unboxing video on Jio phone. This phone cost rupees 1500, just 1500, which is the cheapest phone in India, I can say. Let me unbox it. It is a black colored phone. You can see charger along with it. What I can see is the front camera, and it is a back camera and a speaker there, and it is a keypad mobile. Let me switch on the phone. Let's see the charger. Meanwhile, phone is getting switched on. You can see the Jio symbol there. What I can see is it is the budget phone. Budget phone in the sense it has minimum features. The length of the wire, the length of charger is quite good. We can even place the phone at the floor too. There are some barcodes. It will be the unique identification for the Jio phone. Oh, what I can see, the phone is very handy. Let me test the keypad. The keypad is working very fine. Let me see the apps inside the Jio phone. I can open Jio Store. I hope you can see it clearly. You can say some suggestion to us how we can improve our videos. We are seeing continuous unboxing videos in our channel. Please do subscribe. Okay, I'm opening the Jio Store. Jio Store is not getting open, and I need to go to settings to on my mobile data. This phone comes with inbuilt Jio SIM. That means we cannot buy the phone separately. When we buy Jio phone, it will have an inbuilt SIM. Let me try to open the Jio Store again. You can see the Jio Store has been opened. You can see there are many apps: QR code scanner, Jio News, Jio Chat, JIOTV, which I like the most, Jio Cinema, YouTube, Z5, Hotstar. There are many apps. Even QR code scanner is there, which is a big for this phone. WhatsApp is there, YouTube is there. All are necessary things. The day-to-day apps which we are using, we can find it in Jio Store. In normal basic the keypad phones, you can't find those apps, and you cannot download them in the normal keypad phones. But in Jio phone you have those, which is a very big advantage. I can see there are many apps. I can see many apps, even PDF viewer is there. Jio Cinema, you can see many cinemas, JIOTV, you can watch live TV there. All the channels which you are seeing in the normal dish TV, you can see those. Sorry, I have to open JioStore again. Okay, let me. Even Facebook is there, which is very good. Let me open my favorite JIOTV there. There are quite many channels which I have checked. You can watch lively, and you can connect your Jio phone to your TV through Jio router. For that, you need to buy a connecting cable separately. You can get them in Jio Store. I have checked in internet. I am not able to find Geo connector cable. If you find it, please comment. There are quite many apps. Even Geo Airplane is there. You can contact directly. Overall, the phone is very handy. I am repeating it again and again. The phone is very handy. It is a nice look too. For rupees 1500, this is a pakka phone. Geo Plane is there, which I have already said. WhatsApp is there. YouTube is there. Even Geo News is there, where you can update the news when you, you can be updated with the current news when you are traveling. I will assure you that you can find these news apps YouTube in normal basic keypad phones, but in this phone you can have it. Let me try to open Google Assistant. There are a few settings before we need to start the Google Assistant. Let me try to open some apps. You need to speak. Okay, I am going to open Google. If see, it is getting opened Google Assistant. If I say Google Assistant getting, say open Google Assistant, it is opening Google Assistant. Okay, let me open JIOTV. See, JIOTV got opened. For this phone, Google Assistant is a very high configuration. Okay, let me try to open WhatsApp. See, WhatsApp is getting opened. Okay, let me try to open Geo News as expected. It is not coming. I mean, there are some issues with my voice. I hope. Let me try to open. Actually, I'm thinking. Let me try to open clock. I mean alarms. Okay, let me try to restart the phone. Alarms is not working. When I give restart, it is not restarting the phone. Instead, it is searching the word restart. Okay, let me close the Google Assistant. Let's see what it is doing. I hope it should close the Google Assistant app. Oh my god. Instead, it is searching for Google Assistant. This is not fair. Okay, even in this phone we can see file manager. It has 128 GB of external storage. I mean, we can mount 120 GB of storage. Again, I can say the phone is very handy and it is worthy for rupees 1500. It is worth, and you can go for it, I can assure you.